I'm going to glaze this article, yeah. From the New Yorker, bringing attention to the big elephant in the room, the question that everyone needs an answer to, but few politicians are willing to acknowledge is even being asked. What do we do about Israel? I was in the Oval Office with the Prime Minister several times. I don't know Trump personally, but I was there when we visited Washington. You are right that it is personal. We are best friends. We are friends. What happened? What happened? We succeed. Keep in mind, this is being said out loud. A prominent, and they were really close to a collapse. It was close to succeeding, and then you guys were stabbed